Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can apply 3D cartoon style in your video in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to CapCut, and if you want to apply 3D cartoon style, the first thing you have to do is clicking on the clip right here, and then you're going to select style over here. Then on the style, you have to scroll all the way to the right until you find 3D cartoon style. So just keep scrolling until you find it. Okay, wait. All right, and this is the effect or the style. And then you have to tap on it. And you gotta wait until the process completed. And it actually depends on the duration of the video. So the longer duration you have, the longer process it will take. Okay guys, and now the 3D cartoon style has been applied to our video, and now let's just check the result by playing the video. Alright, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can apply 3D cartoon style in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.